Are you looking for a laptop that gives great performance for its price? Today, I will review the 2025 new laptop. This laptop is perfect for daily tasks, office work, and even entertainment. Let me tell you why this might be your next best choice. This laptop comes with 8 GB of RAM and 256 GB of solid-state drive storage. It is fast, reliable, and makes multitasking smooth. The N4000 processor, with a turbo speed of 2.6 GHz, ensures your work and entertainment run easily. It comes with Windows 11 Pro and Office Pro Plus 2024 already installed. That means you can start working right out of the box without any extra setup. The screen is 15.6 inches, with full HD and IPS technology. It gives clear images and wide viewing angles. Perfect for work presentations or watching your favorite shows. This laptop offers excellent connectivity. It has Wi-Fi 5, a USB 3.0 port, and an HDMI port. You also get a built-in privacy shutter for the webcam, which adds extra security when you are not using it. The battery lasts a long time. You can work or watch videos for hours without worrying about charging. And now, the price. This amazing laptop is only $209. Yes, just $209. If you want to buy this laptop, check the link in the description or the comment section. If you liked this video, please subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon to stay updated. More great reviews are coming soon. Don't wait. Get this laptop now and upgrade your work and entertainment experience.